Kumasi and how poor Kumasi is getting into the absence. Virtually, he's been virtually absent since Obeye mayor. I turned Kumasi Assembly where just not even more than 2 months, about 3 weeks ground team. Every day he's on travel here. How do we run Kumasi better with appointees are responsible as compared to what Kokoswa and him for within the last 72 hours? You talked about 2 of them. You are not helping. Or him back over so. I'm trying to cross and Kakunya be soon. You're ready to be go. But measure woofy, but I could not be a magic free.
Fantastic.
Coco, now you are competent, Emra.
That is what we call leadership. That is what we call leadership. You see, in our part of the world, no. You see, it's not by mistake in Africa, any you know. It's not by mistake. Nyame also Nyame asemi no crow. Nyame asem bia e no kre. And what asase now say asem no mfa nye hwe a. Kofi amatena wa fidie so aka da say de ntia amanone abrochira man ana abrofo no mu die sabi omu mu nyame omo nyame som nye omo de majority no kwa sorry omo mpaye ono o tenase adwuma na no dwen ho e ko be fa so adwuma no be hyehyɛ na ye ne say o de asem ne ye adwuma asem no o de ye adwuma na bible so aka say o de asem ne ye adwuma say o fa asem no na wo nante asem ni mu a say ni da so asakra awrade be dey e be hwew I am fast 7 years. Leadership was created to solve problems. Kumasi problems anything. Traffic lights say Kumasi 100 I'm say 3 year. Yeah. We have leadership within the metro. Say okay. Obi oha you see papa ya obo ni din say mayor yi. Me kakra me nimu no. I wouldn't vote for him to be a mayor. I'm telling you from how I know him. What's my shadow cast that?
Oh, okay. Sir.
What would they okay. Obia onya no kwafo. Can you imagine say Mijina MP? Orange FM, Efreno, Ebisa, was only me. As we because they don't cram in and echo. Meaning the bone cost. At times, okay, radio program was a family class, mommy.
Oh, okay. Oh, cast.
I'm telling you. Yet also Nime, Bobby full name, and me picture toast was a Nime. You see, there are certain traits in Obi Lakia. With the 2 leadership position or be mess up. And this is not an issue of Obi Kebiam Obi Kebimano. It is glaring. It is conspicuous. This is the near fra. Why when it da Obiano Osha. Where do Kumasi ai? Where do Kumasi ai? Kofi, can you imagine some of the mechanic could see Silom Junction?
Okay.
Ma baby moto fit bi wo. Ma pack ye pow. Me buy a car in Kofi. You could di Alancha Martin to ye chi.
Oh, okay, I'm rich here.
Kofi say me ba e chene hye me I atwem Alan me do na me chia me so me de me kai si ha adtani aba no me so we Alan support man fa Alan aba ye nto aba no ye ka kire mo man fa na ma ye nto aba no na me so obeba na me de me kai so Kofi me beduru 9 pm me ba ka ni si o o mu nyina so apon obi a be wi me ka na sese na me so me ka ni nature no obi ntimi me wi ane sa me ye course 1 2 3 na me friend college ye coordinator Honorable Collins Uzamankwa. And was and the say came me for na befa. I let him back came as in your kwada so I say swami for na befa. And I'm could do swami. And I'm say baby I'm packing here. Come on say moto na. I'm say ye na yam packing. Then I was single me car out. E peja kwesi swami. The long and short impanyfo be ba be mu and na afi after we say Kofi me di be 8 hours so. Can you imagine? Abra was here near Nantiu. And don't be na Alan na year rounds no akwa dujama air call offense. That was when I could join him at offense. Meaning for whatever reason. I've seen him to 400 cities and Sunday the car. 400 cities. And the other friend be another both me free presiding members be almost say it doesn't make sense. But I'm there to just swami jurisdiction. Say swami towing car it be tow free. Kwada su silom. Abra kwada su municipal just like swami. Edeko. Now, they want to dig you. We cry free. We cry whining. Which doesn't help. Can you imagine? Somebody is not providing leadership. Yeah. It's in a mass handsome way in Aban. And to Kumasi Metro, we have business is a waha. But you may buy what? Obi tell me one significant change about within the metro. Not a single one. But he feels that he's in position. It is not surprising if you put square pegs in round holes. ade ba ko ma me pe Alanchira Matias senior yete campaign team na papa ne bae no and almost say opanyi bi nya head of operations.
Okay.
And what trust or Gigi Dana Queen say, why no more knows, oh, gentlemen, oh, that's a fine gentleman. What do you have in store so far as operations go? Papa kasa, oh, was is there any other person? And I'm so they be any of them. I said, no, I like you, you are fantastic. Watch it, but me pay before fraud what. So far as operations is concerned, you cannot handle it.
Wow.
As I want, and no, nobody can say, come on, but you have me. Chain. Or pay will be for fraud in the say operations. Wow, Obia Kobeka oh, some penny for we market can recommend because the person was the people's favorite. But I said no, he wouldn't put a square peg. On one campaign, cry, be any panel, no operations cry, and some will be a one. I said, it's not about that. Let's get qualified people, competent people to run because on one administration about running as president and flag bearer of this country, on my on human face, he want to make an indelible mark. This is a mark of leadership. And yes, a chowpa no because you obi first lady be so any papa chow and yes you do have show. You are coming to worry the people within the metro keke. And me anya because from how I'm the minimum panel, I feel that the person doesn't fit such position. And attitudes near DB no masa as a matter of urgency no say one hwe ni ye na say obu ani go so e do bi ko hye ba bi sa okay well say the course of Kumasi Metro no perhaps the appointing authority into how and within this space of time reshuffle bi anko so no it tells that somebody doesn't really care.
Yeah, everybody is happy anyway. So my bet Akoma FM